Joy Gurudev, Joy Ma. We are going to our ashram rent to meet Ma, and by the orders of Ma, I'm preparing the video for our upcoming 2025 year predictions. So we will begin with the predictions of numerology as well as eclipse. Eclipse, every year there's a lot of confusion when we make the videos. People, when we are still clear, they still get confused. It's not their fault. So what to do during eclipse, how to calculate the timing of eclipse, we have already taught you in the previous videos. But for eclipse, whether it will be seen at your place or not, and what time will it be seen, what date it will be seen, you will have to Google it, and in the Achukupa etc. we will keep informing you about that. So keep your eye on that. It will be really very helpful to you. Apart from that, the numeric year 2025 is adding up to number 9. There are 2 2s and 1 5 and 1 0 in it. This indicates a lot of war. How does war happen? There are 4 evil planets, Papkara. They are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Sun. So the union of Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, Mars also. Mars is also. Ketu is a neutral planet, but still we put it into Papkara because it causes wars. So the union of Saturn, Rahu, Mars and Ketu, and sometimes also Sun. When Sun is with Saturn, it causes war. When all these 5 negative planets are together, it causes world war. And people, most of the astrologers are predicting that there can be a chance of world war. These union of this negative planets, 5 negative planets, is going to happen in between March to June. March, April, May, June. But they start showing their effects much before March, April, May, June. So what happens is that just before March, April, May, June, maybe 1 or 3 months before that, there are chances that we can see a situation of war building up. Specifically, European countries, as per the eclipse where they are going to be seen, as well as Middle East of Asia, Asian countries will be affected by these wars. They might be involved in these wars, or they might be badly affected. Share market is already falling down. It will recover during December of 2024, January 2025 and Feb. But it will fall again in March, April, May and June, and it will fall really bad and drastically. Property prices will be high. There will be a lot of legal matters, court cases, etc. A lot of fights and fights between the countries also, and there will be a lot of chaos. Hell will be seen on earth, that's for sure. And there are less chances of world war because positive planets like Jupiter are casting their effect on these negative planets. So they might not allow the world war to take place. And we all have to be careful. This year is going to be extremely hot. Hot hell will be experienced, and there will be a shortage of water. Rainfall will be very less all over the world. Distributing water is a good remedy, best remedy. People will appreciate you distributing water. Poor people will be helped. People in need of water will be helped. We have to work on rainwater harvesting. Now, which fields will give you loss and benefit? Losses, any kind of speculations like share market, commodity market, and people who believe in luck money, they have to be careful. They will be very uncertain, and the share markets will come crumbling down during the 2025. They will go up in Jan, Feb, but March, April, May, they will be running down. They have to be very, very careful. Property prices will be high. You can invest in it. It will be the best year to invest in solar energy. One of the best years to be investing in solar energy. It is better to invest in land property. Their prices will be rising very high in 2025, as well as investing in electronics is going to be very, very, very useful. Invest in electronics, shares, and not shares, sorry, just in electronics, property, and solar energy. Solar energy is one of the best investments to happen. Apart from that, better if you stay away from all types of speculations. If you have not liked our channel, not subscribed, you can please do it right now. Share this video with everyone for everyone's benefit. Apart from that, please make sure that you keep an eye on all the updates that we are giving you throughout the year and my travel schedule. If you want to meet me, you can keep an eye on that. You can call up the numbers which are given to know about my schedule. And in the end, about the remedies: save water, help people to get water, distribute water. Rainwater harvesting is very important for everyone around the globe. Be ready for a strong heat wave. Be ready for wars. In your court cases, in wars, choose peace, not war. Try to settle your fights, your problems by compromising and not by going to the court or being ruthless and being very hot-headed about it. Do lots of pranayam to keep your mind cool. And for more details, you have our numbers. Hari Om Tat Sat.